Hey guys, so it is Vlogmas day, what day is it? I think it's day 12, that's insane. Today officially marks our halfway point during Vlogmas. It is Thursday, December 12th, it is currently 11:46, and I just got done with my hair and makeup. I'm actually going to go and upload Vlogmas day 8, I believe it is, and I really need to try and catch up. It is literally we're filming for day 12, and I just need to upload day 8 because it's all ready. I need to edit day 9. I'm trying to play the catch-up game, but it's really hard. Yeah, I'm having a really great time doing Vlogmas. I love editing. I love the whole process. What I don't like is uploading because I have to leave my house all the time. But yeah, that is what we are currently going to do, and I will see you guys over there. Okay guys, so I have actually just gotten out of work. I am here at the gas station to fill up my tank. I'm about at halfway full. I just took off my seatbelt, so just ignore that sign. So I am about at halfway full. I put on this cute little bow for work and this ugly Christmas sweater because we were allowed to wear those today, and it's the Grinch. I think it's super cute. Okay, so we clearly just got home and I need to change my clothes, so I will see you over at the gym. Okay, so I am wearing that little bandana that I got from Icings in the mall. And then here's a better lighting view of my sweater. It's cute. I've had this for a while. I honestly think I got this at JCPenney. But yeah, I'm going to be taking this off, even though it's super cute. I really like it. I'm totally going to be wearing this way more for just Christmassy things. But I am going to be taking a reusable makeup wipe remover. It's not even a makeup wipe. It's like a removable makeup towel and everything. And I'm going to be taking off my face makeup. You're literally just balancing right there on my mirror. Makeshift tripod. Thank you, Alicia Marie, for all the ideas. But because I put in such great effort with my eye makeup today, I'm actually just it's not even the effort with my eye makeup, it's just that I spend so much time on my eyes and I think they look really nice and everything that I just take off my face makeup and I leave my eye makeup. I know that sounds insane, but this is what I do when I go to the gym. So with these, I actually got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, so that's where you get these, and they're just reusable. It's literally called Erase Your Face, and they're reusable makeup wipes. Yeah, reusable makeup removing cloths for sensitive skin, it says. But you literally just wet this with regular water. You put this across your face, rub it across your face just like you would a regular makeup wipe. And then you put this in your laundry and you wash it with your laundry. And you reuse it again and again and again. And these are so nice. I use this side for my face, and then this other side with the tag is actually a little bit more gentle, so I use that around my eye area. So let's just remove our face makeup. Okay, so I don't have any face makeup on. I still have on my eye makeup, so my eyeliner and my mascara and lashes. Wow, I'm really tired right now. But yeah, my foundation and concealer and powder and all that, the contour, everything is off my face. And I'm just actually going to be spritzing my face a little bit with the Aroma Toner Water from Lush. And I need to actually change out of this cute little sweater, so I will see you in just a few seconds. Okay, so I just changed. I have on this Beatles Abbey Road tank top that I intend to work out in, and I also have this really nice comfy warm jacket because I honestly feel like outside it's gonna be in the 30s, maybe the high 20s, so let's just go out there and see. Okay, so I literally walk in and I just forget that I just remembered But I forgot my water bottle in the car. That's just great. I'm not going back though. Okay, so I have my AirPods in and I'm just watching Alicia Marie while I'm on the bike. I have biked like 1.1 miles and I have 1 minute left. Okay, so we just got done with the bike. I honestly don't know what to do right now. I mean, yeah, I honestly don't know which machine to get on now. You know that scene in Mean Girls when they're all just like complaining about how they look? Like, look at my arms.
God, my hips are huge. Oh, please, I hate my calves.
At least you guys can wear halters. I've got man shoulders.
My hairline is so weird.
My pores are huge.
My nail beds suck.
Yeah, that's how I feel about my arms. Just like, I know they're not that bad, but I don't know. I don't like them. That's the one thing that I want to work on is my arms. So I'm still watching Alicia Marie's Vlogmas day, what day is it? I want to say she uploaded day 11. Scrolling through, I don't know if it's like the right day, but I'm gonna hop onto this elliptical machine. And I don't know how to do the camera. You're just gonna have to like view me like this because this is, I think, the best that I can do. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue watching the Alicia Marie, I think it's Vlogmas day 11. She's doing a mukbang, but yeah, I'm gonna increase the incline so it'll like target more areas of my legs. So I just increased the incline and everything, and yeah, I will see you guys after I get off this machine. You guys, so I'm halfway there and I'm like targeting all of these areas on my legs because of the incline right now. And this is what the, my God, why the heck is the time messing up on here? Anyway, yeah, I'm like halfway there. Woo! Okay guys, I know I'm super shaky and everything, but we are at the final inning stretch. Oh my gosh, there's like 1 minute left. You'll see it? Do you see it? Yes. Okay guys, so I just finished, oh my gosh, on the elliptical, and now I need to like clean it. So we gotta go in here with the supplies to clean the equipment that we just used because, yeah. Like the sign says, germs love germs. Germs love germs. I'm clearly delirious because it is 10 o'clock and I've been here for a half hour. I'm probably gonna stay another half hour, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing 3 or 4 sets of 10. So after I'm done with that, I will pick up the camera once again. Whew. Okay, so we just finished 5 sets of 10, and I am currently watching Adeline Morin on her Vlogmas day 11, I believe, and she's talking about going clubbing, her routine. So yeah. But I think I'm actually going to be going on the rowing machine just right next door to this beautiful pull-down machine. Okay, so Adeline is way down there, the machine is way up here, and I want to put it, I'm just going to leave it right there. Is this, nope, don't want to put it there. I'm just going to put it like right here. Nope, not there. Okay, so in case you could not tell, my arms were really starting to hurt towards the end there, and it's because I ended up doing 5 sets of 10. So I think that's my like routine, doing 5 sets of 10 on weights probably. But I think I don't want to get on the treadmill. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. And since I was too lazy to go back into the car to get my water bottle, we're reduced to using these, which is not good for the environment, but I don't want to go back into the car. Okay, so I think for the rest of my time here, oh, I turned on the video. Okay, so I think for the rest of my time here, I'm actually just going to go onto the stationary bike for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna leave. Okay, so I am finally done at the gym, and it's a good thing too because these just died on me right in the middle of me watching Adeline, like in her last half of her getting ready to go out video. I am headed out of the gym and this was a sign. So I will see you guys when we're back at the house. Okay guys, so we are back at home. I'm just going to be taking off my eye makeup and taking off my eyelashes. We just finished watching Stephen Colbert. They were talking about the impeachment and everything, but yeah, I am going to be going to bed. I think it's currently 11:30 and I need to charge these, but I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13. Good night.